She got no rules. 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 Yeah. She told me straight to my face that she wanna live a life with no rules. She told me straight to my face that she wanna live a life with no rules. Yeah. She don't wanna let me tell what to do. What to do. She don't wanna let me tell what to do. What to do. Yeah. She just wanna live a life with some different moves. Different moves. She just wanna live a life with some different moves. Different moves. She got no rules. 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 Yeah. She got no rules. 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 I just wanna see you take your time, realize, find the meaning of life. I don't wanna see you mess up. I just wanna see you doing right, doing right. I know you're older now. You need to think twice. You need to do what you think. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. I don't mean to hate you, but I just wanna give you some advice. Some advice. Just keep it on the mind. Just think about it every time. Let it ring it on the mind. Let it sound it on the mind. Let it live it on the mind. On the mind. I decided to tell you that cause the decisions are too difficult. I don't wanna see you cry, I just wanna see you smile. See you smile. See you smile. She told me straight to my face that she wanna live a life with no rules. She told me straight to my face that she wanna live a life with no rules. Yeah, she don't wanna let me tell what to do. What to do. She don't wanna let me tell what to do. What to do. Yeah, she just wanna live a life with some different moves. Different moves. She just wanna live a life with some different moves. Different moves. She got no rules. 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 Yeah. She got no rules. 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 Yeah. She been acting like she care, now it seems like she don't care. She been take care of myself, now she don't treat me the same. Now she make me feel so sad. She don't listen what I say, she don't take it serious what I say. She don't care how I feel, she only think for herself. Why she hiding now? Show me hey, yeah. Why she hiding now? Show me hey. We got some deep love, now she wanna break our straight love. She just wanna walk away, wanna stay away now. I've been call her, I've been text her. She don't call back, she don't text back, she don't respond yet. She told me straight to my face that she wanna live a life with no rules. She told me straight to my face that she wanna live a